Hi guys, in this video we are going to uninstall Apache from service. As you can see, we have now installed Apache as a service in our Windows PC. To uninstall it, we can open the CMD, run as an administrator. Then type this following command with the name of your Apache service. In this case, we can copy it. Copy this name and then paste here, and as you can see, the service is successfully deleted. Let's now try to refresh this page, and as you can see, Apache disappear. If you also want to delete completely Apache from your Windows 11, you can just simply click on your Apache 24 folder and click the delete option, and you successfully delete your Apache installation on Windows 11. Thank you for watching.